There's a few events that we offer throughout the year. One is our Business Acceleration Expo, an incredible day to come in and get all the resources and education you need for your business. An opportunity to learn from experts, but also to network and to get one-on-one support for your business. This is one of the few events that's open to both members and invited guests. It's just an incredibly fun day, lots of energy. We usually provide lunch, lots of opportunities for mini workshops and one-on-one support. Our Strategic Action Plan workshop is a unique curriculum where you are really building your business roadmap for the upcoming year in one day. We start with the big picture, looking at your business vision and your one-year goals. And then we get into some of the details, really looking at your offerings, your products, how those need to change over the upcoming year, revisiting if your target customer has shifted over the course of the year. We really get into your unique selling proposition and your marketing plan. We also cover pricing and opportunities to adjust pricing, and of course, financial projections. Then we map all of those goals out for the upcoming year, giving you milestones so you can keep track of your progress and see when you've met your goals. It's really a fun event. Again, one day, usually about 8 hours, and we do it in community. So small group of members get together, and there's so much magic in those small groups, an opportunity to bounce ideas off of each other, get feedback and support while you're getting the guidance and building your annual strategic plan.